Hey guys, this is Gio and Keka from Views from the Kitchen, and today we are here making Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookies. So Keka, help us out. Tell us what ingredients we'll need.
We're gonna need Nutella, brown sugar, white sugar, butter, flour, 1 egg and a egg yolk, vanilla extract, chocolate chips, salt, and baking powder.
Exactly. So those are the ingredients that we'll need. We have preheated the oven to 375, and while it heats up, we're gonna make our cookies, and we're gonna start off by melting our butter in a pan on medium to low heat. So let's get to it. We have Keka over here. She's gonna put the butter into the pan. Go for it, Keka. Nice. And we got it on medium to low heat.
And we're gonna
And now we shall wait.
So it's already melted, and now we're gonna let it cool.
Okay, so while the butter cools, we're gonna get the Nutella and put it on a small little sheet
And freeze it in the freezer.
for 20 minutes while we make the rest of the cookies. So we got the sous chef over here. Let's go, make those perfect little circles.
Perfect.
Oh my God. Can you try to make them a little rounder, please? I'm gonna give you one more chance to do this because this one did not come out very well. Okay, obviously Keka wasn't capable of doing this, so I'm taking over. That is some Nutella balls.
So this is how the Nutella balls are going. And they look, oh my God.
So now we're gonna go ahead and put them
Somewhere in there.
in the freezer.
There we go. Bye bye. See you in 20 minutes. It's done chilling. We're gonna add the butter to the bowl, and then
we add the brown sugar and the white sugar.
Just like that. And for the brown sugar, I'm gonna use a spoon because this is very thick.
Go for it.
Here you go. Yeah.
So now we mix in the butter and the 2 types of sugars.
So now we're gonna add the egg and the egg yolk. And then we're also going to add the vanilla extract. And then we're gonna be grabbing 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're gonna be adding some salt. And then we're gonna mix like that. So once we're done mixing this thing, we're going to be adding some flour, just a little bit for now. Then we're gonna mix that in, just like that. Now we're going to mix in the rest of the flour like that. we will be adding the chocolate chips. And folding that in. Here's it mixing.
Okay, now that our dough has been chilling for 15 minutes, we are going to put it on our pan.
So we're gonna get the Nutella molds out of the freezer.
Yes.
So yeah.
Here we have them. And now we are just going to squish it down a little bit. Geika will demonstrate.
And then
You get your drop, put it in the middle,
you just cover it
and
with
you
a cookie
cover it
dough.
up.
Like a little sandwich.
Exactly.
So you make a little hole, you put the Nutella drop in there, and then you're just gonna pick it up and roll it into a ball and cover the Nutella. So just like that. And then here we go again. Make a hole. Grab a Nutella drop inside. Pick it up. And you just make a ball. And then there you go.
Okay, now that our cookies are ready to go into the okay. Now
Oh my God loves me.
stop it! No. Okay, seriously, stop.
Let me do it.
Okay, shh. Okay, guys, so
Peekaboo.
now that we have our cookies ready, we're gonna put them in the oven, which was preheated at 375 for about 8 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Okay, so now that our cookies have gone out of the oven and they have cooled, we're gonna put them in this little thing to make them look pretty, and then we're gonna give them a try.
So we put them in here. Looks so good. This
And
one
now?
will be good.
Should we open one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Give me something new. I want it back through and through. Just do it. I'll let you.
Let's give it a try. Mmm. It's really good. Try it.
It's really so good.
It is really good. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Try it. Is it on? It's on.
Okay, now that our dough has
Now that our dough has chilled, she loves it. Don't hurt me. I won't.
It's on camera, you know? It's on camera.
Okay, shh. Okay.
I'm not even in the video.
dance to it.